so we're washing up the floor. Just wanted to show everybody what it looks like when you're actually washing off the grout. So I mentioned before we use a sanded grout. Grout joints 1/8 of an inch and up. You can use sanded, 1/8 of an inch and less, unsanded. But this is a floor, so we went with the sanded grout, a little tougher of a grout. So we got it all spread, and it's been sitting here for, I don't know, about 20 minutes, 15 minutes. And just kind of touching up some low spots as I go. Basically what you want to do is you want to give your floor a rough wash. Don't worry too much. You're just shaping the grout joint and you're flattening it out. You're getting the heavy grout residue off the tile. Work yourself in a circular motion. Don't worry too much about how much grout is on your sponge. That's okay. It's kind of heavy, give it a rinse. Now what you want to do is just give it one wipe per side. Done deal. Work like this across the floor. One wipe per side. One wipe per side. And if you want, give it 2 wipes. And instead of going back to the bucket every time, use your dirty sponge to do a bit more rough washing. The trick is with grout, when it comes to water, less is more. You don't want to leave a lot of water on the floor. You don't want to use a lot of water. With any masonry product, the more water you use, the more it shrinks. And when it shrinks, it cracks. Even a grout, if you mix it too thin, you add too much water, it's going to crack and you're going to get discoloration. So put it on, let it set up, give it a nice rough wash. Don't put water on the floor. Don't soak the grout. And then just pick it up. When this dries, you've done a nice job shaping the grout joints. All you're going to need to do is take a nice clean rag, give it a buff, take the dust off, and you're all done. Have a great night.